Hello, my friends. Hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 265 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm very excited about this next recipe. I'm going to show you how to make the best, rich, decadent, chocolatey chocolate cake ever. It is the bomb.com. It's going to be full of chocolate flavor, and as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And the best part about this recipe, no eggs, butter, or oil required. I'm going to show you a special ingredient that's going to take this chocolate cake to the next level. And we're going to put a chocolate cream cheese frosting on it. And this chocolate cake will be your go-to recipe. This would be great to serve for your birthday parties or any special occasion. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my cakes playlist for more amazing cake recipes. So put on your apron, grab your cocoa powder and your flour sugar, because we're about to bake some chocolate cake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my bowl, I have 3 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And of course, this isn't a chocolate cake without cocoa powder. I'm using 1.5 cups of unsweetened cocoa powder. You want to make sure you use a good quality cocoa powder. Going to whisk until it's nice and well combined. Or you can sift it. And then we're going to set this aside while we work on the wet ingredients. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 2 cups of white sugar. And we're going to add in 1 cup of cold coffee. I'm using decaf, or you can use the original. 2/3 of a cup of chocolate milk. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1.5 teaspoons of chocolate extract. And now for the special ingredient. We're going to add in 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. That's right, sugar, mayonnaise. This is going to make our chocolate cake super rich and moist. And make sure you use a good quality mayonnaise. Don't use Miracle Whip. And all we do is mix everything until it's nice and well combined. Alright, my friends, next we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients into the wet. Real slowly. And blend until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up the batter. Smells good and chocolatey. And also, I forgot to mention, make sure your chocolate milk is cold too, like the coffee. Nice and whipped batter. Alright, that looks perfect. Now we're ready to pour the cake batter into the pans. I'm using 3 9-inch round cake pans that I greased with baking spray. Alright, my friends, I got the batter into the pans. Now we're ready to bake them. We're going to bake it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for about 35 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. My friends, it smells like chocolate heaven up in this kitchen. I have taken my cakes out of the oven. So now we're going to let them cool completely, and then we'll be ready to ice them. Alright, my friends, our cakes is nice and cool. I'm using my chocolate cream cheese frosting. I already done a video on that. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Chocolate cake. And you made it completely from scratch. And I garnish it with some chocolate sprinkles on top. Or you can add chocolate chips, or you could keep it simple. But that looks mighty tasty. Alright, I'm about to pick them up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. And you can't have chocolate cake without a nice cold glass of milk. That looks delightful. Alright, here we go. Ooh, look at that texture. Oh yeah. Ooh, look at that. OMG. Incredible. Full of chocolate goodness. It melts in your mouth. Please give this recipe a try. And that cream cheese frosting, y'all. Awesome. This deserves another bite. Chocolate cake delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat!